Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a developer, a freelancer, or just someone looking to host your own web apps without the pain of managing servers manually, then you're going to love this tool. Today I'm introducing you to EasyPanel, a modern, lightweight, and Docker-powered alternative to traditional control panels like cPanel and Plesk. So what exactly is EasyPanel? EasyPanel is a self-hosted server control panel that makes it super easy to deploy, manage, and scale your web applications, all through a clean web interface. It's designed specifically for developers and technical users who want full control over their server, one-click deployments for apps like Laravel, Node.js, and static websites, free SSL certificates, environment management, cron jobs, and more, all without needing to write complex server configs. Set up your server on MaxReseller. Now let's get started by setting up a server using MaxReseller, which I personally use and recommend for this process. If you're new to MaxReseller, you can purchase a VPS plan right now and use the coupon code EasyPanel for 20% off. Limited time offer, so grab it while it lasts. Since I've already purchased a server, I'll walk you through the setup process. Once you're logged into your MaxReseller client area, follow these steps. Click on Services in the menu, then select My Services. Open the VPS or cloud server you've just purchased. Now click on Control Panel to manage the server. You'll see a form where you need to fill in your server details. Enter name, type a name for your server. Enter host name. This should be something like panel.example.com. Select operating system. Choose your OS. In this case, I'm selecting Ubuntu. You can use 20.04 or 22.04. Both are supported by EasyPanel. Then click Install. The installation will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll receive an email with your server login details and IP address. Check email for details. Make sure to check your inbox. The email from MaxReseller will include SSH access info, server IP address, root password. We'll use these credentials in the next step to install EasyPanel directly on the server. The installation will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll receive an email with your server login details and IP address. Check email for details. Make sure to check your inbox. The email from MaxReseller will include SSH access info, server IP address, root password. We'll use these credentials in the next step to install EasyPanel directly on the server. Now that we have our server ready and received the login details from MaxReseller, it's time to connect to the server using SSH. If you're on Windows, you can use tools like PuTTY Windows Terminal. In the next step, we're going to install EasyPanel with just a single command. The setup is quick and beginner-friendly, perfect if you're not a sysadmin, but still want to deploy apps like a pro. Let's get into it. Once you're logged into your server via SSH, just copy and paste this command into the terminal to install EasyPanel. This script will automatically install Docker. Pull the EasyPanel image, set up everything it needs to run. The process will take a couple of minutes depending on your server speed. Just sit back and let it finish. Once installation is complete, open your browser and visit your server IP in port 3000. This will open the EasyPanel setup screen. Now you'll be asked to create your admin account. Fill in the following: email. This will be your login email, password. Choose a strong password you'll remember. How did you hear about EasyPanel? Type MaxReseller. This helps support the creator and shows where you came from. Once everything is filled out, click Setup to finish. And that's it. EasyPanel is now ready to use on your server. In the next part of the video, I'll show you how to deploy your first app. Whether it's a Laravel project, a Node.js app, or just a static HTML site. If this guide is helping you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Let's move on and launch your first project with EasyPanel.